All right, so we remember when we have any problems that have that are an equation and that have a parentheses, we need to distribute. Then we'll go through these steps just like off the notes. Then we combine like terms, move our numbers to one side, move the variables to the other side, solve and check. And so far in our problems, we haven't had variables on both sides, so it's been pretty easy. First, distribute. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Plus 4 equals 25. Now we're going to combine our like terms. Negative 6 plus 4 is minus 2. So I've got 3x minus 2 equals 25. And then move our numbers to one side. So I'm going to add 2 on both sides. I get 3x is equal to 27, and then the last step, I got to divide by 3, and I get x is equal to 9. Now, that is if we've got variables only on one side. But what if I had this problem? 3x plus 4 equals 5, parentheses, x minus 4 plus 2. Now from here, I'm going to go through these steps the same way. The only thing that's going to be different is we're going to have variables on both sides. We'll have numbers on both sides. All right. So first, we're going to distribute. 5 times x is just 5x. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Bring everything else down. Now, I'll combine like terms. Remember, we're just looking on the same side for this. So, I've got a minus 20 and a plus 2. Those are like terms. It'll be minus 18. So, I've got 5x minus 18 equals 3x plus 4. Now, from here, move our numbers on one side. You've got to make a choice. You can either have your numbers on the left or your numbers on the left or your numbers on the right. It really doesn't matter as long as you're consistent. So for this one, let's go with numbers on the right, which means I'll subtract 4. And then I've got 5x minus 22, that's negative 22, is equal to 3x. Since I moved my numbers on one side, I've got to move my variables now to the other side. So I've got all my numbers over here, move my variables over here. Minus 5x, and I get 2x equals negative 22. Then I finish it just like the other ones, divide by 2, and I get x is equal to negative 11. Now, my question is, what if on this step you chose to move your numbers to the left? Do you think your answer would change or not? Think about it, pause this video, and then I want you to try it. See if you come up with the same answer. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try that, and I'm just going to start right there at that step. So at 3x plus 4 equals 5x minus 18. What if we decided to move our numbers to the left and our letters to the right? So I'm going to add 18. They cancel, and I'll get 3x plus 22 equals 5x. And then I move my x's to the other side, minus 3x. So I've got 22 is equal to 2x. And now my last step, divide by 2. Divide by 2. And I'll get x is equal to 11. Oh, I see where I made a mistake earlier. This right here should have been a negative 2x. So we're dividing by negative 2, and that changed this to plus 11. Now, we got 11 up here, we got 11 down here. So it really doesn't matter if you put your letters on the left like we did here, or if you put your numbers on the left. Just when you get to this point where you've got letters and numbers on both sides, make a decision. Do you want to move everything to the left, move it to the right, and then be consistent.